Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. A very powerful, robust and historic storm has hit recklessly southern Alaska for days, and that has unloaded extreme amounts of precipitation, overwhelming its infrastructure in some areas. The storm that blew into south central Alaska brought with it high winds and heavy rains that is soaking the region for days. The deluge, which is considered to be intensified by the climate change, has flooded communities south of Anchorage and transformed all waterways into raging rivers. Excessive amounts of snow, which can be measured in feet, have buried in the high terrain, and the long-lasting storm won't fully smoothen until Wednesday. The moisture that had developed translated into exceptional rainfall in the lowlands like in Portage River Valley, where double-digit rainfall totals devastated all previous records. Alyeska, Alaska, situated on the Kenai Peninsula, where it meets the rest of the Alaska, reported approximately 10 inches, the station's highest daily total ever recorded. At the Portage Glacier Visitor Center, 10.34 inches was measured on October 30th. Its two-day rainfall over the weekend of 18.84 inches ranks as the fourth highest on record in the state. The National Weather Service has predicted up to 28 feet on Mount Marcus Baker, a 13,176-foot peak in the Chugach Mountains, about 75 miles east of Anchorage. The historic rainfall is generated by the storm, which includes one of the top four heavier two-day amounts ever observed in the state, that may be nearly 20 inches. The other impacts that could see were washed out roads and landslides basically on the side of the mountains. Hardest hit has been Garwood, nestled in the Glacier Creek Valley, about 50 miles south of Anchorage, where the core of the atmospheric river blasted ashore. In just few hours, Quiet Creek became a raging, rolling river. What's remarkable was absolute amounts of rain and long duration. Alaska is one of the drier states in America, but in Ketchikan, an average annual rainfall of about between 140 and 160 inches per year is recorded. Precipitation comes fairly evenly throughout the year in Alaska, with more during fall and winter months. Alaska gets 31 inches of rain on average per year. The US average is 38 inches of rain per year. Alaska averages 74 inches of snow per year. Weather in Alaska and daylight varies widely by region and season, from short sleeves in summer to down jackets in winter. As the atmosphere warms, it can hold more water, translating to a greater frequency and intensity of extreme precipitation. The tropical moisture and the remnants of an atmospheric river instigated the storm system, which will lash California and Pacific coast in the days ahead. This started on the 29th October and still persists and ongoing. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.